In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up and click on this gear at the top left corner. When you're ready, you can adjust all of those options however you want to, or click on Presets, tap on the best one, select Yes, and adjust all of those options the same way. When you finished, click on this X at the top right corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and finally click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Now after tapping on Yes in Use App Settings pop-up, you can finally click on Set Wallpaper. Then to apply it, click on one of the available options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with Home Screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!